Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this 2018 Malibu Wakesetter we just got in. This is a 22 MXZ. It's got the front step ladder. It's got the brown metal flake. This boat comes equipped with surf gate and the wedge for wake surfing. It's got the rear facing camera. It's got the pocket seats in the back. Nice easy walk through here. It's got the big playpen seating, foldable tower, wakeboard racks, sea deck throughout. But it has 129 hours. It's got the 400 horsepower Indmar motor, dual screens for all your controls right there, bolster flip up seat. It's got the big playpen bow up here, so lots of room. 22-foot boat, but a very roomy boat, very clean. Come on out to MarineMax in Greenville and check this boat out. It won't last long. Used boats are going fast. This boat also will be up on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or give us a call at 864-414-0735 and come and check out this 2018 22-foot Malibu MXZ Wakesetter.